Hi friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we are in Washington, D.C.
Okay, you should just know that we don't do this a lot, so this is like a really huge deal.
We are inviting you to stay with us at the historic, luxurious, and totally fetch hotel, the RIGGS, Washington, D.C.
It's okay. Coolness, so we'll see you tomorrow. On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
Not really, but on this trip, we stay pink in their all-pink First Lady Suite. RIGGS Washington, D.C. is located on the corner of 9th and F Street in the former RIGGS National Bank building, the Bank of the Presidents. 23 U.S. presidents banked with the RIGGS, including Abraham Lincoln, Ulysses S. Grant, Dwight D. Eisenhower, and Richard Nixon. We are checking ourselves into the RIGGS Hotel. We have a standard room for the first night, and then we are upgrading to the First Lady Suite. You two look comfy.
Yep. You want me to show you something?
I do. Oh, it's a little sitting nook, huh? We can read stories here.
Uh-huh. And do you want to take a look at the bathroom?
Yeah, come and show us.
And we also have our little refrigerator plus safe.
Yeah, because this place used to be a bank, right?
Uh-huh. Maybe I'll lock Eva in there.
No locking Viva in there.
And then here's our bathroom with a shower in there.
Yeah. Oh, pretty.
And right here. And we
This
have
is a light.
Nothing else we could need. Just a big king-size bed and a big TV with a fridge. And I love the accent wall behind me. It looks like a waterfall of linens. And then just a view of a courtyard. Not bad for a standard room. One of the biggest draws to the RIGGS DC is its location. This historic beauty is a short walk to the National Mall, the Memorial, Smithsonian's, and the White House. The next day, while we have breakfast at the Cafe RIGGS, our luggage is being transferred to our upgraded suite, the Ida McKinley First Lady Suite. Hi! What do you think of our First Lady Suite?
I think it's awesome. And Beads is going to show you around our living room.
Yes, it's a short part of our room.
Yeah.
So this is where I'm gonna sleep.
You're gonna sleep on that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Others might sleep on the other side.
Okay, cool. We'll make a big giant fort in here, huh?
And
What do you think of the color?
good. But what's it? This was used to be a bank.
The whole building used to be a bank, yeah. Look at that's really cute. So they put a safe in there. Yeah, it's a giant safe. All right, Marco, you want to show me something else?
So this is our sleeping area.
Yeah, that's a really great bed.
A giant bed. And then we have a giant TV screens on both sides.
Both sides.
So I can wake up and watch something.
Does somebody want to show me the bathroom?
Me. And here's a bathroom. It's pretty big.
Oh, look at that bathtub. It's so deep.
I'm sad it isn't a hot tub.
Oh, but it's really cool. You can swim in that tub. It's so deep.
We have a pretty good shower.
Yeah, it's a great shower. Do you think this is wallpaper or is this painted on? It's wallpaper. So pretty. Do we get a view?
You can see downtown.
Yeah, it's a great view. We end the day with a visit to the International Spy Museum, learn about espionage, and then visit some more memorials before calling it a night and sleeping in our heavenly bed.
How'd you sleep?
I slept very good. And I really I love the bathtub. I just took a bath last night and it felt so good.
Yeah, it's a good bathtub.
Yeah.
I like how close everything was to this hotel. We didn't need our car once. We could walk to everything. The White House, the monuments, the Smithsonian's, everything was so close. And the turn-down service last night. You know, with the champagne and the macaroons. That was a good touch, huh?
She didn't get one. It was on me.
Unexpected, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that was fun. And I'm glad we stayed in the standard room first. And not the other way around, because it'd be very hard to leave this room, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.